So this is the video about the exam review of 18th April. I'll first do the task 2. You can check. आप आंसर्स चेक करें आपने कैसे दिया है, and those who are to give the exam, even they can see the video. Of course, vocabulary excellent, and then I will be disclosing you the level of exam of the listening and the reading. Okay, so let's dive into it. An Ex-IELTS Examiner. Today we will be discussing the question that appeared on the 18th April. The real exam questions. Always, you should practice with the real exam questions. And let us see, it was agree, disagree, as I had already predicted. Let's see this. And after this, I will be also telling you the level of the listening and the reading. So, be through it. The question was, please understand the question. Some people believe that sport competitions are a source of emotional stress. Emotional stress means it creates tension. उससे tension होता है. Therefore, youth should be banned from participating in sports competitions. So, you should ban the sports. So, when there is an extreme thing, it is easier to write also. Do you agree or disagree? Sorry with that. So, like that. Now, first I will tell you the intro, then I will tell you the opinion and then the conclusion. And this is of course a 8 to 8.5. As an examiner, since I was a bit strict, I would give it a 8 band, but it can get 8.5 also. And if you want any coaching, it is already available and you can contact me on the WhatsApp number. Introduction. Sports competitions are a cornerstone of youth development. So, see this word. I will be just underlying the words which are very good and you can use elsewhere also. Offering invaluable opportunities for physical activity, skill building, teamwork and personal growth. Now, this is the general statement. However, now see, I paraphrase, some individuals argue that the emotional stress associated with competitive sports may outweigh these benefits. The stress is more. Okay, you can even write here the tension associated. Okay, so it's example leading to calls. So, leading to calls for banning. If it is ban written and if you are writing banning, it is a new word. Youth participation in such competitions. This essay explores both the perspectives and evaluates whether prohibiting young people from engaging in sports competitions is a viable, is it possible or not. I am writing the opinion. While it is undeniable, see, this is a linking word, this can be used anywhere, that sports competitions can evoke, it can raise emotions ranging from excitement to anxiety. Now, these are the emotions in young participants. Instead of youth, banning youth from such events may not be effective approach, right. So, this is a opinion which I am repeating. Competitive sports offer a myriad of benefits beyond the physical realm, that is beyond the physical activities, including fostering resilience, means it builds up your patience, discipline and camaraderie, that means to work together among participants. Moreover, competition serves as an valuable learning experience, teaching young athletes how to handle pressure, setbacks and success. So, all this is taught by the sports. By participating in sports competitions, youth have the opportunity to develop important life skills that can positively impact their personal and professional endeavors in the future. That means their whatever they do it in future. So, these are the kind of you can say good words which you can, physical realm and the myriad, all this. Okay. However, it is crucial, important to acknowledge, even acknowledge is a good word, the potential negative impacts of excessive stress and pressure associated with sports competition. So, I am giving both of them and then I am also concluding. I am giving the opinion on young people's, see that apostrophe, mental and emotional well-being. High stakes competitions where there is high stake or high things are involved, even a medal at Olympics or anything like that. Intense training regimes means routine and the pursuit of victory. You want to win at any cost, at all costs, can create an environment ripe, it is fit for burnout. You get tired, anxiety and self-doubt. You start doubting yourself among the young athletes. In such cases, see, this is referring when you say such cases, and these are examples. It is imperative or crucial, I have already written crucial, for sports parents and sports organization to prioritize. They should, put all the things behind, but prioritize the holistic development and the welfare of the young athletes. They should take care of all the aspects, ensuring that their participation in sports is balanced and sustainable. It is balanced. There should be not much pressure. So, in conclusion, see what I have written. While sports competitions can indeed, they are a source of emotional stress. Okay, you can repeat. Okay, for young people. Okay, you can repeat young people. And outright means complete ban on this youth participation may not be the most appropriate solution. It is not appropriate, it is not correct. Instead, see that comma, fostering a supportive and nurturing sports environment that priorities or that puts everything back, the well-being and the development of young athletes is essential. Now, I have used the word essential. By promoting a healthy balance, I am just repeating what I have written before, I am not adding anything. Between competition and personal growth, sports can contribute to serve as a valuable tool for the youth empowerment and enrichment. Hope you like. So, please like and comment. So, for the task 1 academic, it was a map, and the listening, 2 students told me it was easy. So, if the 2 are saying I hope it is easy for you, you can write in the comments. And for some people, reading was difficult. Those 2 said that it was easy, but then one student, the third, said that it was a bit difficult. So, we can rate it from easy to moderate. I will be updating the names of the passages also. All the best, and if you want any coaching, IELTS material, it is available and you can WhatsApp me. Thank you.